All right, so during my live, I shared my little Zom-Bees post-it notes and you guys wanted to see them. So we're gonna turn this into a quick little 3-minute tutorial from our live. So we're gonna start by placing our Zom-Bee heads onto our stones. I'm just using this light green. I'm gonna use a combination of paint pens, but a light green color. You can do round or you can make a chunk where you're gonna put the brains later left behind, cut out of it. Then we're going to place on our body. Now most of the body is going to be green, but I do want to have it be yellow at the end by where the stinger is, like he's changing from yellow to green. So we're going to do our green, then our yellow. We're going to let that dry and then we're going to do a second coat, and we're just going to use the paint pen tip here to kind of blend together our green and yellow. There's going to be stripes on here, so I'm going to blend a little bit with my brush here, but it doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to put stripes. You're not going to see this blend all that much anyways. So as I moved along the rest of them, I didn't even do this much blending, but I'm going to share with you on this one how I got it like this. Next, we're going to add on our brains. So I like to use kind of a swirling motion while putting my brains down so that I don't have any straight edges. This helps when you come in to do the lining later. Place on one giant big white eyeball. I don't care if I pull a little green in, it's okay. And then we're gonna start our lining. We're gonna do our 2 wings. They're gonna be stacked back here, so do one on and then do the other one slightly behind it. We're gonna add our nice pointy stinger off the back side. We're gonna go ahead and outline most of our head here, coming up to the edge of our brains, and then around the outside of the body as well. Now you can line your eye, and then I do an X for the second eye and then give them a little pupil. And then for the face, I usually do kind of a frown. And you can mix this face up quite a bit too. You'll see I added tongue on a different one. Now for lining the brains, you're gonna come along your lumpy, wavy line and create this brain look. So you can line the whole thing and then bring some of your lines into the center of the pink space. And I'm going to line a couple of them here for you so you can see they'll all be a little bit different. Just come back in and add in these cute little waves through the pink and you'll get this brain look. Another fun detail you can add in is little shadows around the eye, and you can also make these little smudges to dirty them up a bit. Now I did come in and add some white in my wings, but I didn't fill them in 100%. I just came and did some wispy lines in my wings. Isn't it fun to see all the ones in the background come together as well? I did give this guy a quick little tongue, and we're gonna wrap him up. We're gonna give him 2 big bulky black stripes. So we're gonna line those up, and then I'm just gonna really sketch in the fill. I'm not gonna make these solid. So I'm just using very wispy lines back and forth down both stripes. I did do some details in the wings there. I don't know, I missed that somewhere in this tutorial, but I hope you enjoyed these Zom-Bees. Follow along for more. Bye-bye.